Hathway Broadband connection. Can you set up this Wi-Fi connection, I mean the Fibernet or the broadband what they're providing you in this 2021? Can you? So let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to qurrahtech. In this channel I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some unboxing videos and some tips and tricks videos like this one, which will be useful for you in your daily life so you can rock the world through technology. This is going to be a different kind of video, so let's start. For the past 4 to 5 years I have been using this broadband Hathway connection in my home. Yeah, it's very fast and it's reliable and it was a top notch at the beginning, but nowadays the internet connection is somewhat slower when compared to the beginning one. And you may think that now present time, due to coronavirus, everyone are using online classes, online workshops, everything is online. So you may ask, did it go on somewhat bad at this time? No, absolutely not. It was somewhat slower at the beginning, the arrival of coronavirus. As an existing customer, I would say some pros and cons about this Hathway broadband connection. So you may think, you decide, and everything you do whether to set up this connection in 2021 or not. So the first one, talking about the speed of the Wi-Fi connection, for me, for my home, the Hathway broadband performs extraordinarily well. In a month, the internet connection will be slower in 1 or 2 days. That's it. So it's worth. Second one, the most and important one is the service. Really, honestly, I'm saying Hathway broadband service is worse than ever. If you want to register some complaint, you can register to the app, the Hathway app. You can get it on Play Store, but they will automatically reject your complaint and they will cancel it and they will close the complaint. You have to register the complaint more than 2 to 3 times through the app, and then they will select any one of the complaint and then they will come and approach you, and at that time the Wi-Fi connection, I mean the internet, will be very fast. So they will come and they'll check the internet, it will be very fast, so they'll go. This was happening for the past 2 years like that one, but the internet was very fast. Yeah, I will not say any issues about that, but sometimes it will be very slow. I could not open my Google, it will be very slow. Yeah, I would feel very much disappointed at that time, but not bad. But the service is very worst, and I hope if any representatives of the Hathway are watching this video, please take this into your account. Consider this as my humble request. Coming to the third point, is the broadband connection is somewhat costly or it's very cheap or like that one? Yeah, if you ask me, I would say it's very much cheaper if you're comparing with ACT, which is very costly, but it's worth. I will talk that one in another video. In future I will upload that one so you can watch that one in the channel. Regarding the price segment, is very much cheaper, so don't need to worry about that. For example, I pay for 6 months, it will come around 7,200 rupees, somewhat like that one, and it comes 6 plus 2 months they'll give free, so totally 8 months. So it will come around 900 rupees or 950 rupees per month. So it's pretty much worth to get one. And you also get unlimited. It's not unlimited, it's 1000 GB, but it is unlimited for me because in our home, maximum if we use, in all my family we use, it comes 500 GB only maximum in TV, on a phone, everything. So I don't need to worry about the GB, it's unlimited for me. Fourth one, regarding the installation setup, yeah, I installed this one 4 years before. So at that time it was very much fast, but the current one I don't know. So I think they will continue this one, so no issues in that one. It was very much fast. Within 2 days they gave the internet connection. It was very fast. And in addition, they also gave me a free router plus 0 installation charges. Okay, why I am talking about this one is, in ACT connection, if you are getting a new ACT connection, you have to pay installation fee for 500 rupees if you are setting that for 3 months. If you are setting for per month, for single month you are paying that one, so you have to pay additional installation fee plus for the router. I think this is not fair, but if you get the connection for 6 months, they will give free router and also 0 installation fee. So it's all business tactics. Okay, I don't know about all that one. I'm not going to talk, I'm not going to complain, I'm not going to politics. So let's move into one. Fifth one is, I would like to share an incident which happened recently. On November 2020, my Hathway connection got over. I mean, the plan was expired. So I went to upgrade my plan for another 6 months. I want to extend it. So I went to the Hathway office, and there, an employee of the Hathway, they said, please make this one a very important point. What they said was that currently the service is really bad. I'm not saying this on my own. The word came from the employee mouth. I'm not making this up. So what she said was that the service was really down. It was very bad. So not many employees are working there. But another one she said was boosting up. The service will get back to normal from 2021 of January. So let's believe in that. Belief is life. So that's it about this Hathway broadband connection. So if you want, you can get this one. And I forgot to say a very important point. Not even a single time when calamity strikes, natural disaster like cyclones, rain, floods, everything, my internet connection was fantabulous. You may ask what I'm saying this as a point. Mentioning is very important because I contacted my friends who are using some other broadband connections other than Hathway. They got many issues. The line was cut down due to some calamities. So it's pretty much worth to get one. And in next video, I will break down everything about the Hathway broadband connection which I set up in my home. I will show the router and the wire, how they made that one, everything, complete walkthrough. So to watch that video, you have to subscribe here so only you can be connected with me. So see you next video. Before that, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook so you can be in touch with my daily updates. See you next video. This is Rais Ahmed from qurrahtech. Bye bye.